This is where legends are born. Welcome to the hidden world of Kenya's most extraordinary automotive culture. Today, we're following the complete transformation of a brand new zero-mileage Isuzu. One of the most dramatic transformations happens at the front. The original factory fascia, designed for functionality, gradually disappears. In its place, fabricators construct an entirely new identity. Aggressive styling, sharper contours, more aerodynamic lines, custom lighting positions, integrated protection bars. Every curve is shaped manually, every measurement checked repeatedly. Steel is bent, cut, ground, welded, then reshaped again, until imagination becomes reality. The journey begins long before passengers ever step inside. The vehicle arrives exactly as its manufacturer intended. Every panel is factory installed. Every measurement follows strict engineering standards. Every component is designed for reliability and commercial transport. Mechanically, it is complete. Artistically, it is only the beginning. For Nairobi's custom builders, this is not the finished product. This is merely the canvas. The first stage is perhaps the most surprising. Instead of preserving the factory body, craftsmen begin removing it. Panels disappear. Factory bumpers are cut away. Standard body lines are sacrificed. To someone unfamiliar with the process, it almost looks like destruction. But experienced fabricators see something completely different. They see possibility. Every cut made with the grinder must be measured. Every weld must restore structural integrity. Every modification must maintain symmetry. This is where craftsmanship replaces assembly line production.
I love it already, and it's not yet complete.
Unlike factories filled with robotic automation, every decision here is made by human hands, human eyes, human experience. Years of fabrication knowledge determine whether the finished vehicle will become exceptional or ordinary.
The final product, guys.
A process requiring patience, steady hands, and remarkable consistency. Poor welding may look acceptable on the surface. Professional welding becomes part of the vehicle itself. Invisible, strong, reliable. Every joint contributes to a body capable of surviving thousands of kilometers across Nairobi's demanding roads.
Scrapped out, and a new arch will be added on the rear side. So don't mind about this. So this spoiler is very unique and it's attractive for me. Very nice, guys. Tell me on the comment section, how do you think about this?
But appearance alone doesn't define a Manyanga. Engineering does. Every additional feature changes weight distribution. Electrical requirements increase dramatically. Cooling systems must continue functioning efficiently. Airflow around the radiator remains critical. Even decorative modifications require careful consideration, because beauty without reliability has no value.
Those are lights, you can imagine. There. Also, this will have lights, you can imagine.
Then comes one of the most complex chapters, the electrical system. Unlike a standard passenger vehicle, a Manyanga becomes a moving entertainment platform. Multiple display screens, digital lighting, amplifiers, power management systems, interior ambient illumination, external lighting effects, driver information displays. Every component depends upon a carefully designed electrical network. Kilometers of wiring may eventually run beneath the interior panels. Every connection must be protected, every fuse correctly rated, every circuit organized. One electrical mistake could affect the entire system, which is why experienced auto electricians become just as important as welders. Then comes sound. Not simply loud music, but engineered audio. Custom speaker enclosures, subwoofer positioning, amplifier cooling, power delivery, acoustic balancing. The goal isn't only maximum volume, it is clarity, deep bass, balanced frequencies. An audio experience capable of transforming an ordinary commute into entertainment. To outsiders, this may appear to be simply another modified bus, but within Nairobi, it represents something much larger. Innovation without massive factories, engineering without billion-dollar research facilities, creativity driven by passion rather than corporate instruction. An industry built almost entirely through experience. Knowledge passed from one craftsman to another, generation after generation. This is the unseen side of craftsmanship, the chapter before the grand unveiling, the story before the applause. Because true masterpieces are never created in a single day. They are built piece by piece, panel by panel, weld by weld, until one ordinary vehicle becomes something extraordinary.